Hi everyone, I'm Joya and welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So today, no one asked for this video, but I'm going to do a video on how I grew out my hair. So about 2 years ago, I cut my hair up to here and now it has grown quite like a good amount in about 2 years. So I'm gonna put a picture right here of what my hair looks like when I first cut it versus now. Let me move back a little bit. So this is how my hair looks now. This is how long it is. And then this is how short it was when I cut it. So right now, it's down to here when it used to be like up to here. If it's like straight, it's like right over here. Like say it's like up to here to down here. So it has grown a pretty good amount, I would say. And just within the past like 2 months, I have really seen a lot of hair growth. I've kind of implemented a couple new things in my routine that I think have really helped. As always, this is just my personal opinion. This is just what has helped me. You definitely don't have to do all these or any of these to grow out your hair, but I'm just trying to help people out. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I have a list of tips. This is in no particular order. This is just all the stuff that I came up with. So my first tip, I feel like this might be one of the most important tips, is to do different things to stimulate your scalp. The more you stimulate your scalp, the more you're gonna promote hair growth. Almost every single hair growth video that I've watched, people always say either massage your scalp, use oils to massage your scalp. The main thing is massaging your scalp. So I have 2 different products that I feel like have helped stimulate my scalp a little bit more. The first product is a scalp scrub. I use this mainly because I have a pretty dry scalp, so it can get kind of itchy, so using a scrub kind of helps clarify it a little bit, but you do have to massage it into your scalp, and I feel like since I've been using this, my hair has grown a lot more. So you can get there's a bunch of different scalp treatments from different brands, but the one that I use is the Innate Life scalp treatment, and this is Canadian based. I think I got it from Mains by Mel, my favorite person on YouTube. She mentioned this in her video and she's Canadian, so I just went on the website and I got it. And this one is for a problematic scalp, but I believe they have ones for like regular scalp and things like that. It comes in this little tub. I just use a little bit. I section off my hair and I leave it on. You can leave it on for a couple hours. I'll leave it on for like an hour or more. I'll section off my hair and I'll just put a little bit of product on my scalp and just kind of massage it in. And then once I'm done, I'll just kind of massage it in all together for a little bit. And then I'll just let it sit and then rinse it out. And then your scalp feels so good after. It feels like so clear. And you're also stimulating your scalp. Count how many times I'm going to say that in this video. The next thing that I feel like has really helped is this, what is it, like a scalp massager? I got it off of Amazon. I'll see if I can find it and link everything here down below. This is by the brand Max Soft. I got this one just because it's pink. I also got this from Mains by Mel. I just use this in the shower when I use shampoo. So instead of like massaging the shampoo into my scalp with my hands, I use this, and let me tell you, this is a game changer. This feels so nice. It's just like a nice little massage, and I really feel like it really gets in my scalp and cleanses it, especially for those days when I really need a deep clean just to clarify my scalp. This is amazing. I recommend everyone get one. Like, you're never gonna wanna use your hands to massage your scalp or to put on shampoo ever again. Trust me. So the next tip I have is to use hair masks, especially in the beginning of your journey. If you just like did a big chop, I did one and then I was like, I liked it, but then I was like, okay, I miss my long hair. I need it to grow. And also you just want your hair to be healthy. Using hair masks at least once a week. I would say once a week is good for me, but if you need more hydration, you can use it multiple times a week depending on the hair mask. I haven't been as good about it in like the past month, but using hair masks really helps just to replenish your hair. And if you have healthy hair, obviously it's going to grow more and there's not going to be as many split ends and things like that. So just taking care of your hair is very important when you want to grow it out. So my favorite hair mask at the moment has been the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. I like this one because It's a mix of protein and moisture, so you get both, so you don't have to worry about getting an overload of protein or moisture. It smells amazing. This is one of the best smelling masks I've ever put on my hair. My hair feels amazing afterwards. It feels really soft and strong at the same time. I just love this one. Another really good mask that I used at the beginning of my journey that really helped just kind of transform my hair and keep it healthy is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask. I believe that's what it's called. It doesn't smell the best. It honestly kind of smells like Play-Doh to me, but that is like a holy grail product. I was thinking about repurchasing it again soon just because it makes your hair feel like just amazing. I don't know how to explain it. You're gonna have to try it for yourself. Hopefully you have already tried it if you're watching this video, but if you haven't, go try it. And there's a million masks on the market. Just try as many as you can and see which one is best for you, but the most important thing is that you take care of your hair. So on that note of taking care of your hair, my next tip is to stop using as much heat as possible. You've probably heard this a million times if you're on your curly hair journey, and whether you just started or you're like years down the line, you know that using heat on your hair is very, very damaging. I usually straighten my hair maybe like once or twice a year. I rarely straighten my hair. I don't even really like how it looks straight anymore just because it never stays straight. And I have to straighten it like every single day to keep it looking sleek. So I just don't really feel like doing that work, and I love how my hair looks now curly. So I rarely ever straighten my hair. The only heat I will use on my hair for the most part is when I diffuse my hair. In the very beginning, I would never really diffuse my hair on high heat. It would always be like cool or warm sometimes because I was really scared and I really wanted to get my hair back to being healthy. But now that my hair is stronger, I do use high heat, high to medium heat, depending on how much time I have, just because it gets the job done quicker and my hair still looks great after with not a lot of frizz. But I would recommend if you are in the beginning of your journey or you're really focusing on growing out your hair and getting it as healthy as possible, I would say try to use Try to not use heat at all. Try to blow dry your hair on cool. Don't straighten your hair, don't curl your hair, things like that. And that will really help to replenish your hair. With that being said, if you are gonna use heat on your hair or if you're gonna like diffuse your hair, I would recommend using a heat protectant at all times. I actually forgot to use this today, which is funny that I'm saying this, but this is the Keratin Protein Flash Blow Dry Spray. This is supposed to make your blow drying faster. I don't know if it really does that, but it is a heat protectant as well, and just protect your hair. It's very important. As for coloring your hair, I do think you can still color your hair and grow your hair out to be long. My hair is colored and my hair has been growing long. Obviously, it depends on what stage you are in your curly hair journey. If your hair is pretty strong now and it can take a little bit of coloring and things like that, I would say do it as long as you do hair masks after and just still take care of your hair as you normally would. That should be good. But if you are just starting, I personally would refrain from coloring my hair, getting highlights, anything like that, just because you want to make sure your hair is strong enough. Because at the beginning of my curly hair journey, my hair was definitely not strong enough at all. So I waited a little bit to color my hair, and I'm glad I did that. But yeah, I think that's honestly all the tips that I have. I know this was a really short video, probably not even that informative. This is probably stuff you guys all already knew, so I'm sorry. I know there's a million other things you can do, like you can use oils on your scalp as well to help stimulate your scalp. I should have said that in the beginning, I completely forgot about it. But you can use like a castor oil or something like that and massage your scalp for a couple minutes a week, and that can help also really stimulate hair growth. I never did that, but I feel like if I did start doing that, my hair would definitely grow longer. So there's a million other tips that work with different people. These are just the things that I feel like mainly have worked for me. I'm definitely not saying you have to do anything that I said to grow your hair out. This is just what worked for me. Hi everyone, I completely forgot to end the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found some of these tips helpful. Let me know if there's any other tips that you guys have for growing out your hair. Just leave them in the comments below. And also let me know what other videos that you guys want to see next. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!